This week I'm turning 22. When I look back at my journey so far, I realize that life has already taught me so many important lessons. Some came with pain, some with growth, and some with silence. So, today I'm going to share these 22 lessons with you guys that I've learned in these 22 years of my life. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, please help me to reach 1K as soon as possible, please. It's my like birthday wish, pre-birthday wish. So the first and the most important lesson is speak for yourself. If you don't speak up when it's needed, people will never let you speak. They never let you speak even against them. So it's important to learn it how to use your own voice. Your voice matters a lot. The earlier you learn to use it, the stronger you became. So the next lesson is independence is freedom. Depending on others, whether it's emotionally, financially, or mentally, doesn't take you so far. Learn to create your own strength. Okay, learn to create your own strength, because the world respect for those who speaks and stands for themselves. So by the way, I have written all the points, that's why I'm looking down. Okay, stop living in other people's lives, thinking too much about others, interfering in their decisions, or comparing yourself with them only waste your energy and time. Focus on building yourself, building your own story. Next one is very important. It's very important. Don't carry the burden of favors. Please, I request you, please don't take favors. Living under someone's, favor feels so heavy. It literally feels so heavy. The truth is, you don't need it, okay? You don't need anyone's favor. Make yourself so stronger that you don't owe anything from anyone, okay? I think it's fifth. Walk away from where you don't belong. Okay? Just walk away. You don't have to stay there. If you ever feel excluded, unwanted, replaced, or whatever, please remember that you have a choice. You have a choice to walk away from that group, that friends, and whatever, that circle. Protect your dignity. Okay, just protect your dignity. It's very important to protect your dignity rather than fitting in their circle or whatever. Next one, being overly helpful can drain you. Helping is beautiful. See, I do help so many people, like I do help everyone, but not, you don't have to always help others, at least not at a cost. Sorry. People take advantage of your kindness, and they will always take it, and they will always take you for granted. So stop it right now, and you have to know where to stop. Just draw your freaking boundaries. Okay, got it? Seventh, protecting your inner peace at all cost. Okay, just protect yourself, protect your energy. See, peace is priceless. Okay, once you lose it, even success feels empty. Learn to say no, distance yourself from the people treat you like nothing. Next one, it's important. Okay, I think all the lessons are very important. Focus on yourself, build yourself. Okay, stop putting your energy in providing things to other. Invest in yourself, invest in your story, build yourself. Okay, start investing in your dreams, your skills. Focus on yourself, start building that mindset. Okay, trust me, this is the best advice I can give you. Just focus on yourself. Stop wasting your time, stop putting your energy into things that will never take you forward. Okay, just stop doing that. Next one, you don't have to prove yourself again and again. The right people will never demand you, they will never let you explain every freaking thing every single time. They don't. Okay, If you are around that kind of a group or that kind of a people, just throw them out of your life, please. You don't have to explain everything to everyone. Next up, speak less, walk more. Okay, it's important. Not everything needs to be spoken or announced. Just keep your life private. You don't have to announce every freaking thing that I'm buying this, I'm getting this, I'm just stop doing that. Okay, just stop doing that. Actions will be louder than your words. Okay, just work, work, work. You don't have to speak up every single time. It's not needed, yeah, please. Okay, it's not needed. Next one is very important. Like, this is my personal favorite advice, lesson actually. Trust yourself no matter what. Trust yourself. Okay, I know people will doubt you, even the whole world will doubt you, but you know what, your inner voice knows the best and right path for your journey. But you know what, if you trust yourself, nobody can shake your freaking confidence. No one. All right, no one. Next one, distance is sometimes protection. You know what, it's okay to create space for yourself. Like, people who disturbs you, and I see people who try to pull you down every single time you try to you know keep moving. They pull you down because they don't want to see you successful, see you growing, and that's why distance is important. Next one, not everything deserves your reaction. You don't have to respond to every situation. You don't have to every person or every opinions. Sometimes peace comes from walking away instead of proving your point. You don't have to prove your point every single time in every conversation. It's not needed. Next, self love isn't selfish. Okay, taking care of yourself, putting yourself first, and choosing your happiness doesn't make you selfish. It makes you whole. ओके, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमेशा ही अपने बारे में सोचो, बाकी लोगों के बारे में, फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के बारे में ना सोचो। हमेशा अपने बारे में भी नहीं सोचना है, सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग रिएक्ट करना है। वैल्यू, नेक्स्ट वन, वैल्यू योर टाइम। योर टाइम इज द वन थिंग you'll never get back. You'll never get your time back. Be mindful where you are spending your time and whom you are spending with. If you learn how to value your own time, people around will value it. Please don't be available. You have your own work, you have your own life. Just focus on that. Don't get available for every single time for every single person. Next one is very important. Your family is everything. See, at the end of the day, everything fades away. Your wins, your chaotic life, everything that noises around you, everything fades away, but the only thing that stays with you is your family, or maybe like your close friends, because they are your real strength and they are your real support system. Don't take them for granted. Next one, I think it's 17. Money is important. So you must have heard this: money can't buy happiness, but money does buy you freedom. Money does buy you choices, security, and stability. Okay? It gives you power to live on your own terms. So please never feel guilty of wanting more, like financially earning more or whatever. Like, we need money because it's a very very important thing in today's world, because stability is very important. Next one, not everyone is your well wisher, not even in your family thinks good of you. Okay, that's how life is. Some people may appear close to you, like they will so friendly with you and shares everything, but their intentions are not always aligned with your growth. They really like, they don't want to see you growing, they don't want to see you successful. And that's why, it's important to observe, protect yourself from that kind of friends, well wishers, or family members even. Like, failure is just a feedback. When something doesn't work out, it doesn't mean you are not capable of doing that thing. It simply means there is another way to try it. Okay. And failure isn't the end of the road, you know it's a redirection towards your growth, towards your success, towards your journey. Every setback carries a lesson, so learn that lesson carefully, and it will make you even more stronger. Learn to say no without guilt. Okay, saying no doesn't make you rude, it makes you aware about your boundaries, about your limits, your line, and it's just a self respect, not selfishness. It's the second last one. Trust your gut instincts. Your intuition is your inner compass. Even when logic and people around you says different things, your gut often knows the truth. Listen to it. Okay, just listen to your instincts, listen to your gut feeling. If you feel something is off, that means it's off. Okay, and it's the last one. Now the last one is celebrate small wins. Don't have to wait for like big achievements, big milestones to feel proud. Every small step forward, every little achievement is a progress. And that's it. So these were the 22 lessons I've learned in 22 years of my life. As I step into like new chapter, I know there's so much more to learn, but I'm so grateful how far I've come. If one of these lessons connect with you, just take it with you in your own journey, and always remember that everyone's journey is different. Please stop comparing yourself with others. Be proud of how far you've come. And yeah, that's it. And here's another year of growth, love, and lessons. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Bye.